Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to buy traffic in affiliate marketing. So I've made a web series on 5 steps on how you can do affiliate marketing effectively. This is basically the step number 4. There are 5 steps. The earlier the 3 steps were how to create a landing page and how to pick the right offer, then how to set up your email follow-up sequence, and this is the most important thing, is how you should be buying traffic and where you should be buying traffic and from whom you should be buying traffic. That is what I'm going to be covering up in this video. So for this case study, I did bought traffic from one of my recommended solo ad seller, and basically I had thought that I would share with you the results that I have made sales from that particular vendor, and I have nothing to hide over here. If you see on my warriorplus, I have made money with that particular solo ad vendor, and he's from udemy.com. So basically I have bought some 200 clicks from that guy yesterday, and I made sales. But later on I thought basically is in a context of making money online, it would be like guaranteeing you that you would make money. That is something I don't want to do, okay? Because a lot of people message me when I started this series. The first step when I completed, they asked me that if I buy $100 worth of solo ad, would I be able to make $150 or $200? That is a wrong perception. If you're looking at that kind of thing, then you are basically in a wrong mindset. Okay, so make sure you understand. In affiliate marketing, the main thing is to build your email list. Your email list is your asset. Okay, you can send emails to your email list on daily basis, provide them good kind of value, good products that you think they're going to be helping them, and that is why you build a trust with your email subscribers, and eventually then your email subscribers tend to buy whatever products you recommend to them. Okay, but it's not a guarantee that you're going to be buying $100 worth of solo ad and you're going to be making $200. There were times where I also didn't make any sales. So if you look onto my udemy.com account, recently, if you see, this was the guy in the list stat, and this is the only guy I recommend because I did bought and I made sales from this guy. If you've seen, this was the order which just completed today at 10:40 a.m. according to my Indian Standard Time, and I got like 200 clicks, and out of that you can see over here almost 100% top tier clicks over here, and I got sales over here. But before making this video, I thought that it is not legally a good thing to basically share with you how much money I made spending $110 or $105, whatever the price may be. Okay, so eventually I thought that in this video, the topic of this video was how to buy a traffic. So I'm going to be sharing with you how you should be buying a traffic instead of sharing with you how much money I made and what you can spend and what you can make. That is not an intention of this video. The intention of this video is to share with you how you can buy traffic for affiliate marketing and in the best possible way. Okay, so let's get started. If things are clear to you, the thing is, I'm not going to be sharing with you how much money I made because that is something I did want to do. So for those people who were interested in that thing, please, you can skip this video. But for those people who want to learn how to buy traffic for affiliate marketing, you can continue watching this video. Okay, so before buying traffic, the only thing you should always check is everything is perfectly connected. Okay, the squeeze page, then the thank you page, and then your email follow-up sequence. So if you go to the email follow-up, you can see over here new leads have been added to my MMO, that is Make Money Online list. This is a new autoresponder which I have just started, and the open rate and click-through rate are really great. If I can show you the autoresponder sequence, we can just see that the leads which I got from the traffic we just finished, the open rates are really through the roof. Okay, so just hold on a second, and you can see the first email follow-up sequence for these leads which just landed into my autoresponder. 33% open rate and almost 16% CTR, which is an awesome thing. So if you have been following me for the last 3 videos, I had shared with you the most important thing that you can share with your email subscribers. It is in your first email follow-up sequence. Your first email follow-up is really important, okay? Because people tend to open your first email on like 99% of the time, people open up your first email, okay? And then too, if you have connected with them on the thank you page and tell them that access a free download, I'm going to be sharing with you the free download into your email, they tend to go to the email to check the email from you. All right, so if that is clear to you, let's see. The squeeze page is ready, the thank you page is ready, and almost the autoresponder sequence for like, I guess, 7 email follow-up sequence which I had shared with you. So you need to email that specific offer for the next 7 days. The first day you start traffic, you get traffic, 200 clicks, and then for the next 7 days, this is my opinion, you need to promote the same offer, because people take time to look at the offer. People research for that particular offer. If you provide them good value within the first 7 days, not only they buy the offer, but they tend to trust you. Okay, so make sure that thing in your mind, that and never try to sell products, just sell products. Okay, tell them good things, tell them bad things about the product, okay, and then eventually they would trust you. Okay, that is really important. The engagement is really important within the email follow-up sequence. Okay, and the first few 7 emails are really important, my friend. All right, so everything is set up. Then the next thing we want to check is the tracking. Now on my thank you page, I have pasted link over here and onto here. Okay, so we're going to be checking the link. This is one of my tracking link I have pasted over here, which is from, you can see the offer which I'm promoting, and the tracking is like after the link finishes, / and the name of that particular solo ad provider. So Indulus is the provider's name. And then in the email follow-up sequence, I'm going to be placing another link from here, which is get response email follow, and in that link I'm going to be again putting / and Indulus email follow-up. So for those people who are going to be going to email and buying through my email, I'm going to be understanding that some of them are buying through an email follow-up, and for those people who are buying through just by clicking on the thank you page by this link from here, I'm going to be understanding that these people have bought through the thank you page and they have bought it instantly. Okay, so that is something that you need to connect it properly. And this email follow-up sequence this link is going to go through all of my 7 email follow-up sequence. So if they bought on the 3rd day, 4th day, 6th day, I would still understand that they're going to be they have bought it through my email follow-up sequence. Okay, so great, everything is set up. Now is the time to copy our link. Okay, so once you copy our link, you're going to go to udemy.com, and you can register a free account to udemy.com by clicking the link below this video. I have given the link for you, and you can see this is my profile. So first you need to go to find seller, and I am just removing all the guesswork from you guys. I'm just giving you the right vendor. If you have not followed my last previous video, I have literally shared a lot of videos in which I have literally shared how much money I have made buying traffic from the vendor, which I'm going to be suggesting you. I'm going to be showing the proof right now. Okay, so click on this keyword, okay, keyword, and type in Indulus, okay, and click on submit, and this guy will come up. Now this is my favorite guy. I'm not guaranteeing that he's going to be giving you sales as well, but this is the guy who has given me the best possible sales rate. You can see over here almost 35% is the sales rate. That means the last 100 people that have bought solo ad from Indulus, 35 of them have made sales, which is ridiculous. Again, this is the important number which a lot of people don't see it. That 23% means 23% of the 100 people have reordered from Indolus. That means no one is crazy to reorder. If they have made money, then only they would reorder. Okay, so that is something that you should be understanding. Make sure to look at this number always. Okay, how many people are reordering from that particular solo ad vendor? All right, so then you need to come down and then you need to select clicks over here. You can select 200 clicks for the first time, depending on whatever budget you have. And then you can place your link over here. In this case, my link is this one, and you can place your link over here. Okay, allow the seller to start traffic earlier. Now, if you're promoting any launch, make sure you understand when the launch is going live. Okay, make sure to understand the timing at the time the launch is going live. In my case, my launch was going live yesterday at 9 a.m. EST. So I will show you, I message in the list that, my friend, have placed the order. Please start after 9 a.m. EST on 5th of January. The launch is office live now. You can start. Thanks. Okay, and this guy will always listen to you. He's a great guy. He is a great guy. Okay, so coming below that, you can select 200 clicks and you can place the link over here. Everything is set up. I would highly recommend to click this, tick this box. Okay, and then you can choose PayPal or card and you can make payment and your order would be fulfilled. Okay, so then the best thing about Udemy is when you buy traffic today, and if the seller accepts it based on whatever date we have confirmed, suppose it's 6th we have confirmed, the seller has to complete that order within the next 100 hours from the 6th. Okay, because if it doesn't do that, your money will be refunded to your account. That is something I love about udemy.com. So your money is always safe. It's not gone to the solo ad vendor's pocket. It is still with Udemy. They have kept it in reserve. So after the solo ad finishes, you confirm the solo ad is delivered. Then only Udemy releases the payment. Okay, so that is something I love. And even if you buy 1,000 clicks, even if you buy 500 clicks, even if you buy 100 clicks, the solo ad vendor have a time of 100 hours to complete that order. So in my case, if you see, let me show you orders. Just give me a sec. So if I show you my order, you can see over here, I have a deadline for 10th of January, but this guy completed all the clicks within 12 hours. So that is something I would also highly appreciate, that this guy has completed the order. And you can look at 100% top tier clicks, and you can also track all the details about the clicks. Okay, you can see detailed stats over here. Okay, United States, which device the visitor used to see my offer, desktop, mobile. The most of the time people are using mobile to see the offer. Okay, so that is how great the tracking is on udemy.com. So that is how you should be buying traffic from Udemy, and that is how you should be building your email list bigger and bigger. Okay, so that was the intention of this video. So the next video is going to be the really important, which is going to be the last video in this series of affiliate marketing for beginners. And that video will show you something which is really important. That is, if you don't make money on your solo ad, how would you recoup your advertising budget? That is, how can you email your subscribers if they even don't buy in the email follow-up sequence? Okay, because for the most of the people, what happens is they buy a solo ad, they don't get sales. They do an email follow-up sequence, they don't get sales. So they have spent $100, $200 on solo ad, and they have not yet made money. So how could they recoup their email advertising budget? That is something I'm going to be talking in the last video, so that when you buy $100, make sure you understand, before you spend the next $100, you need to recoup that first $100. Okay, that is how the business actually works. It's not like you're going to be just spending money. Okay, there should be some good strategies, and then effectively you're going to be building a really good sustainable business model in affiliate marketing. Okay, so see you there in the next video. This video was just to show you how to buy traffic, from where to buy traffic, and from whom to buy traffic. So if you like this video, you can click the like button. If you want to stay on my next video series, and you can subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section what else you want me to cover in the next video, so that I can point it out and make sure give you good quality content. Okay, well, thank you so much and have a great day, and see you there in the next video. Bye bye.